Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing and my Topbox unboxing. I've decided that because these come literally around the same time now and I'm not doing the Topbox versus Topbox, I figured that it would be a good idea to unbox both of them. And I don't want it to be like a competition, but I mean, we'll see. If Topbox is something that I prefer over BoxyCharm, then I'm probably going to get rid of BoxyCharm because the difference in prices are literally, this is $40.99 Canadian with shipping, and this is $15.99. So, but Topbox has been kicking it out of the park lately, and I've been kind of disappointed in BoxyCharm lately. So we, I guess, shall see. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining us. If you are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us as well. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button, then click the notification bell so you gain all the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. Let's dive into my BoxyCharm first. Just as a quick little heads up, I actually have opened this and used a few things. One of the items are on my face, or actually one of the items are already on my face, but we'll get into that in a second. So let's open this up, and this is what the okay, yeah, that just didn't want to hang out in here. So this is what the box looks like this month. So just as a heads up, I used to have like a 6-month subscription, and it would do, I'd pay 6 months in advance, and then I would get to pick. From what I've been seeing lately, because I have gone down to month and not doing the 6-month in advance for the regular average box, I don't think I've been able to choose any of them since I've been down to the month to month. So if I'm wrong and you guys actually are month to month and you get to pick which, because there's always an item you can pick in your box, and if you guys are month to month and you can pick, let me know, because I either could be missing the date and my information could be wrong, but in the last couple of boxes I haven't been able to pick anything. If you guys, like I said, are month to month and you get to pick your item, let me know, and then maybe I will try to have to do a bit more research on trying to figure out why I haven't been able to. It could be because I'm missing it, but anyway, enough rambling. So this month is BoxyCharm, and this one's Candy Shop. And this says, save the date, enjoy exclusive member-only discounts, online pop-up. Okay, so I don't usually buy anything from the pop-up, but I do always look. So, all right, and I have variation 65. So let's just dive right into this lovely box. Honestly, let's just start with these. These are a set of Luxie brushes. They came in a bag. I have already used them. There are 5 brushes. And so there is the spoolie brush, and this is a tapered blending brush. Then there is the large shader brush. This is the medium angled brush. And then the last one is this teeny tiny one. And this is a blending brush. So obviously, they are dirty. I use them for the look that I'm wearing today with my new Natasha Denona palette. So if you guys want to see that video, stay tuned because it will come up literally probably just after this video, my next one. So this brush set is a $40 brush set. This is the Luxie Wonderlust brush 5-piece brush set. I am not gonna lie, I would probably never spend $40 on a set of Luxie brushes, but I love Luxie brushes. I would literally be super happy with BoxyCharm putting in a set of Luxie brushes every couple of months, especially eyeshadow brushes. I don't know how many times I get super excited about Luxie brushes and eyeshadow blending brushes. I'm not so huge on like the face brushes, but honestly, I could use a million blending eyeshadow brushes. And I love this little case. It is super cute. This could you either use as a pencil case later on, or to use like for a traveling case for some other brushes. I don't know how many other big like face brushes would fit in here, but honestly, still loving it. Okay, that's number 1 in this box, and that's pretty good. So up next is this here, and this is the Murad Hydration AB. Oops, there's no B in that letter. So my dyslexia kicking in there. Okay, so this is the AHA BAA, whatever, BHA, whatever. Okay. This is the exfoliating, oh, good gosh. This is the exfoliating cleanser. It says to be careful with not to get contact in eyeballs. Obviously, you don't want an exfoliator in your eyeballs. That would hurt. So this is big. This is 200 milliliters. That is a lot of face shampoo. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, this is like the third video I filmed today. My talking skills are getting a little bit ridiculous. Okay, so this is made in the States, actually. Well, there's a whole bunch of other stuff in here. But okay, this says that it is intensive triple action exfoliator. Okay, so you're supposed to put it on your face and then rub for 3 minutes. Okay, cool. So this was one of the items that you could pick between, and I don't even remember what the other item was, but I'm not mad about this because honestly, this is something I probably could use, especially with all the skin issues and wearing a mask and sweating in it constantly every single bloody day I'm at work. So this is a $40 face wash. Whoosh. Well, I hope I love it, but I hope I don't love it that much because I don't want to be spending $40 and repurchasing another one. Whew. Okay. Then up next are these, and this is, I think it's lavaa lashes. I think I pronounced them wrong on the other video. Anyway, these are from LA, and this is in Sharm. These are in Sharm. This is what they came in. They are the ones that are on my eyes right now. So these are cute. They are long. They are too long this way for me. Obviously, they're looking a bit big for me right now. The lash band is probably a bit also too thick for me, but I'm honestly don't hate them. I do need to cut them down. That's why I just was lazy and I forgot to bring a pair of scissors over here when I took them out of this box. So these happen to be a $19.99 set of eyelashes. I honestly don't think I'd pay that much for a pair of eyelashes, especially these ones. Only because, not because I don't love them, but they're so long, they literally touch my eyebrows. But again, that's number 3 out of this box that honestly, I am not mad about. Now, there is 2 more items in here, and let's start with the palette, because we all know when I get palettes from boxycharm, I pretty much dislike them in the last little while. If you are new to this channel and you don't know that, I've pretty much disliked almost every palette that has come in the box in the last like 6 months. So this is the Beauty Bakerie, and this is the Breakfast in Bed palette. So let's just take a look at it. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I really like this outside packaging. Does not come with a mirror, so it's just, and that is what the palette looks like. Honestly, I don't hate it. I'm not gonna say I super love it, but let's be honest, I definitely don't dislike it. In fact, I kind of like this one. So let's do some swatches. And yes, I'm going to do swatches because I'm probably going to keep this one. So let's do Forehead Kiss, which is a nice matte. Ooh, I like this. Let's do it on my hand. Okay, we'll do that one. Okay, so these are the three out of the 4 mattes in this palette. So this is Forehead Kiss. This one is Yawning. And then this one is Lazy Baby. This one was a bit hard to kind of swatch. I had to go over it a few times to get the pigment there, but that's not too bad. So now let's try some of the frosts in here. Okay, so there are 5 frosts in here, and those are the 4 of them. So this one here is Pajamas. This one is French Doors. So the light one's called French Doors. This one's called Cuddle Cakes. And then this one's Boo a View. Boo and a View, it's called. This one is the only one that kind of swatched a bit funky. I had to do it a few more times, but honestly, I don't hate it. I don't hate any of those. I probably won't use the super dark one, but these are super pretty. And then, so I didn't swatch Messy Hair, and I didn't swatch Fresh Face, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like. So the Beauty Bakerie palette is a $38 palette. Honestly, I would spend $38 on this and not $40 on this. I have no idea why I'd spend more money on an eyeshadow palette than I would for my face, but I much prefer buying eyeshadow palettes. I have an eyeshadow palette obsession. I am not gonna lie, if you've guys seen any of my other eyeshadow palette videos, I love eyeshadows. I have a problem. It's okay. I hate to admit it, but I also hate to admit that in fact, I don't think it's a problem. All right, so there's one more item in this box, and this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter, and mine is in Sol Matte, I think it's called. So this is this not the cutest packaging for a lip product? I love this. They are so dead on. Oh my god, it smells so good. So dead on with their things. I love this brand. This brand is hella expensive, but it's good. Okay, so that is really, really nice. So that is what it looks like. So it's like a lip tint, not like a full-on lipstick, which is really nice. How much are these? Ooh, this is $20. I was gonna say I might buy this, but not unless it's in the pop-up. That is so nice though. I would wear this under my mask just because it's probably really moisturizing. It's a soft tint lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of, well, a bunch of oils. Do you know, at the beginning of this video, I said that I don't buy anything from the online pop-up. If this is on the online pop-up, I'm probably going to get another color of these too. Hopefully it's not $20 though, because that's expensive for a lip treatment. I'm going to pop on the screen the price of everything together. Honestly, this month, I think, I hate to say this because BoxyCharm better keep this up because I'm actually loving BoxyCharm this month. I am literally going to use everything in this box. That is the first time I had said this in probably 6 months. I have literally given away most of the stuff in my BoxyCharms in the last little while. I am really impressed with BoxyCharm this month. So let's see if we can keep that awesomeness going with my Topbox. Usually Topbox is really good. It's like a Canadian Etsy without the bag. So, ooh! Okay, so I did know a few of the items in here. I have opened this because I have used one of the items. So, it doesn't look like there's there's no actual Topbox thing in here, but there is a thing from Benefit in here. This is not a coupon, so I don't know why it's in here. But we got, okay, well, I don't know if everybody got one of these, but this is the Precisely My Brow pencil. And this was in this is in 3.5. It is what's on my eyebrows today. I did do a test out on it. I've never actually really used an eyebrow pencil this light before. I don't know if I would purchase medium brown. This is very light. I had a bit of an issue with it, but I'm obviously going to use it. This is, I don't think this is a full size, 0.0009 ounces. So it's 26 grams. So then I have, next up is this, I think it's called Estate. This is a super cute box. It's got like the little drippings. This is their lip icing. This is in the color Down. This is what it looks like. It's on my lips already. I actually really love this. Not as pink. It looks super, super pink, but when you actually put it on, it's not as pink as I thought it was going to be. But it is so, so nice, which is kind of crazy because I don't normally love to keep the lip products in this in my boxes because I'm really kind of over lip products right now. Okay, so then there is this, and this is the Clarins Paris Renewing Treatment Essence. Let's see what this one looks like. Not gonna lie, I probably have gotten this already. Oh, no, I have not. That's cute. Oh, so it must be like a little oil. Oh, yeah, it is. That's not bad. This is, how many ounces is this? This is actually 3 ounces. That's pretty good. It's kind of nice to get something in here that I haven't received yet. I got 2 more items in here, and this one here is the Nars. This is the Climax Extreme Mascara. So this is what it looks like. Let's take it out of the packaging here and see if it looks like the big one. No, it's just a small little mascara, but that's okay. I have been wanting to try a few of Nars' mascaras anyway, so I'm excited about that. And then this is a complimentary sample. So if you saw last month's, we actually got some hair ones. So these are the Olly probiotic ones. So that's those. These are in, I think, apple? I don't know. Yeah, they look like they're apple because, you know, there's apples all over it. Oh yeah, these are in juicy apple. I'm actually I haven't tried the other ones yet because I'm waiting for my other ones to be done. Okay, so it says to take 2 gummies once a day, but I'm not going to take 2 once a day. I'm only going to take 1, so let's try this. Oh, those are really good. I have to be careful because I would probably just eat these as candy if I don't have any candy lying around. These are really good. All right, so that was everything in this month's top box. I am not gonna lie. I was really thinking that I wasn't gonna like it because Topbox has been giving me a lot of creams lately. I can't even pick between Topbox and boxycharm and which one I like the best because honestly, this month, they killed it. Both of them killed it. All right, well, that was everything for this video. If you guys like me doing these 2 together, make sure you give me a good old thumbs up so I know. And if you want to see a video of me using the palette that came in boxycharm this month, leave me a comment in the comments below. I hope you guys are staying safe and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!